Hello everyone, in front of us we have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. This is the classic variant, so model number SMR890, and today we're going to be turning it on and putting it into like a standalone mode, meaning that it won't be synced to a phone. So if you don't have a phone or you don't want to connect it to a phone but you want to turn on your device and use it like normal watch, we'll go ahead and show you how to do that. To start, let's turn it on, which will be the top right button. Alright, so here we are at the welcome screen. You can go ahead and just swipe up. Now to get it into standalone mode, what we want to do is this blue wear icon at the top. We'll just tap it multiple times, and then we're going to get this dialog here saying to tap and hold for 3 seconds. So we'll just tap on the icon there and just keep holding it. And now we are starting the process to have the device activated. And now we just follow the prompt. Alright, and that's it. That's how you set it up without a phone. And you should have the same functionality as you normally would, especially if you have an LTE variant. And that's how you set up Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 without pairing it to your phone.